Hey son,
Yeah, what's up?
so I'm trying to send this YouTube video to my buddy Steve, but I don't know how to do it. Can you show me real quick?
Yeah, let me have your phone.
No, I got this. Just tell me what to do.
You're not gonna know what to do.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Don't worry about it.
Go ahead.
You just give me the phone.
I'm fine. Go ahead. Just tell me.
All right. All right. First you're gonna go to your YouTube.
Okay.
You're
Where's
gonna go
that
to
at?
the YouTube app,
Technology these days, they really do make it simple, you know?
and then you're gonna go to that button that's on the video.
It's really
You're gonna go to
pretty easy.
You're gonna go to the video that you're at, and then
This
you're
is
gonna go
insane.
to the bottom of the video.
Yeah,
You'll see
yeah.
a button.
Yeah.
There's a button. The button has a little
I
share
think I see
button.
it. Yeah, it's
So
right
you're
there.
gonna press the
It's
share
right there.
button, then you're
Oh,
gonna
my eyes are
open
bad
up
right
that
now.
share button,
Yeah, my
and then
eyesight's
once
just
the
real
button's
bad
open
right
on the
now,
share
so-
button, you're going to copy that,
Yeah,
and
got
you're gonna copy that to your
I see it.
clipboard. So now you have the clipboard.
Yeah.
Now you have the link copied to your clipboard, and then after
Yes,
that,
yeah.
you're gonna exit out of there, and then you're gonna go to your messages. So your messages is out on your home screen. Are you on your home
I'll go
screen?
to-
If you're not on your home
share.
screen, make sure that you're back on your home screen. So then you're gonna hit the message button. That's iMessages.
Is it me or is it getting really hot?
It should be on the bottom of your home screen, and if it's not, then
Okay, where's that
it should
at?
be on one of the pages on your screen. So
Silly.
then it's going to be a green button
Facts.
with
That's easy
a white
facts.
talk symbol, and then you're going to open
Little
that up
whoops on me.
and make sure
That's my fault.
that you
That's my
have
fault.
your
Little-
contact already posted on the top. So the number,
Yeah.
the actual number of the person that you're trying to send it to,
That's no big deal.
make sure
Oh.
that number is set to go up on the top. And then once you have that, you're going to go to the text bar on the bottom.
It's
You're going
getting
to go into
real
the
warm.
text bar on the bottom after that. After that, you're going to hold your finger down.
I can't
You're gonna
even
hold your finger down.
think
onto
about
that
like
bar,
living
onto
without
the
this
message
thing.
bar on
This
the
is
bottom.
just
And once you do that,
insane.
it's gonna pop up. There's going to be a copy. and
Is it copy and paste or
all this other stuff
paste and copy?
afterwards? And
Is it copy and paste or paste and copy?
you're gonna choose
I-
the button
you know the
that
terminology
says
these days.
paste. So once you see
Yeah,
paste,
yeah,
you see
I come across that button a couple times. Paste and copy. Who says that, right? Who says that anymore? I don't. Yeah, I just never pressed it. I just never pressed it.
paste that link into the text bar, then you're gonna press send, and that's all you gotta do. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I think. So I opened up my phone and I'm on the home screen. So where do I go after that?
Just give me the phone.